Welcome to Spring LIB.
In this problem, we have to analyze a unit cell diagram, and this is an extremely important skill in chemistry, and not only in solid-state chemistry, but being able to interpret a drawing or a diagram in a chemical fashion is extremely important and useful. So for part A, we see that our calcium atoms are in a face-centered cubic arrangement. And this means that because we have a face-centered cubic structure, that our oxygen is going to occupy the octahedral holes. And then for part B, we see in the structure we have 4 oxygen atoms and 4 calcium atoms. So if we were to find a ratio of oxygen to calcium or calcium to oxygen, we get a 1-to-1 ratio. And that's the same as the formula we're given of calcium oxide, calcium 1 to oxygen 1. And the structure confirms that. And then finally, we have to answer, why are the structures of calcium oxide and sodium oxide related? And what we see is that they have the same unit cell structure. They both have the same ratio of oxide or oxygen to the other atom in their structure. So for example, in calcium, we have the same number of calcium to oxygen, and for sodium oxide, we have the same number of oxygen to sodium. And we both see that they have face-centered cubic arrangements. So I hope that this problem helped you understand not only how we can analyze a diagram or structure, but how we can interpret what we see, and specifically using the knowledge that we have of solid-state chemistry, for example, understanding octahedral versus tetrahedral holes, or finding what kind of unit cell we have.